In this video, I'll show you how to add bots to your Discord server. So what you need to do, okay, if I open up my Discord now, you can see I just added Dino bots here on my server, and I'm going to show you I can be able to add some bots if you want. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to my browser. I'm using my Safari. So if you're on Android, you can use your Chrome. I'll type in Discord bots. So this is going to come out. So this is it. So you can come on here and search the bots you want to add, right? So let's say if I want to add tickets, I can just go, I can type in tickets, click on done, click on search. So it's going to show me all the bots that are for tickets. So you can see support bots. So let's say if I would love to add it, okay, you can also check the number of servers that they are currently active on. So you can see this one support ticket is currently on 6,000 servers. So you can still check and know the one that you want to add. So this one is currently on 257,000 servers. So let's say I want to add this for tickets. For tickets, I can just add, let me say support bot. I'll click on invite. So like you can still do this for like the rest of the bots if you want. You can be able to add music bots, like a whole lot of them. So like I just want to use this for an example. So I'll wait for this to gradually load up. Okay, so right now this is gonna come out, so you're gonna be able to see invite. So I'm gonna click on invite. So yeah, I'll just click on continue, click on authorize. I'll confirm this. So I'm gonna wait for it to load up. So after some loading up process, I think this bot is gonna get added to my Discord. So I'll just wait for it to load up. So I'll click on continue. Okay, so like just once you click on continue and all this loads up, it's gonna be able to, yeah, so you can see it, support bot just joined my Discord. So I'm gonna click on this, so you can see it, so you can still go back as well. There are still lots of good bots you can also add up to your server if you love to do this. So it's not just only this, so like there's a whole lot of bots right here. So if I come here, I can type in, let me say music, for music bot, click on done. I'll wait for it to open up. Okay, let me see. I think I'll go back. Okay, so let me say for this, let me use the search and still redo this so as I can be able to see that you can be able to add up any bot you want here on your Discord. So okay, so right now you can be able to see as I typed in. Okay, so these are some bots you can also be able to add up, right? Like there's a whole lot of bots you can be able to add up to your Discord. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.